Welcome. In this video I will explain how to use different macro types for your Logitech G512 keyboard. So to do that, let's select a key we want to assign a macro to. Let's select Remap, Assignment, Macros. Now let's create a macro, name it Test, and now I'm gonna explain how the macros work. So we have no repeat macro, which means that macro will be performed once. So you click, macro gets performed. Repeat while you're holding the key, the macro will be performed, and once you stop holding the key, the macro will stop performing. Toggle. You press the key once, macro gets triggered, and it continues to get triggered until you press the key once again. And sequence, you press to play the macro once, then if you press and hold the key, you'll be able to perform either the same macro several times or perform a different function described within the macro. So this is the most complicated one, and once you enter it, you'll see the on press menu. So what happens when you single press the button, and what happens while you're holding this button, and what happens when you release this button, right? And the rest of this macro presets, macro types like toggle are pretty obvious and consist of only one element. And I think that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.